Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another edition of Stocklock Sunday. I have two of these. I've picked one of them on camera. I don't think I've picked this one. This one it's the Federal SS series. It's a 730. It's very heavy. Unsprung shackle. Has a spinner down here. Has this big heavy plate. And yeah, some really good bitting. So we'll see if I can pick this one on camera. Yeah, it's a dead core, an unsprung shackle. So let me see if I can get into this thing. Use the long end of this thing. And really light tension. And a bit of a false set. Deeper. Counter on 3, 2. Overset. Or maybe there's somebody else. Didn't really want to fall down. There we go. A lot of dueling back there. Anyway, to gut this, you have to have a little pusher thing, which might be this here. No, it has to be smaller. And you just push down. It's spring-loaded as far as it will go. And the shackle comes out. Pretty slick. Then inside, we have is it this one? Oh no, it's an Allen wrench. This one. There we go. That feels like it, or close to it. So this comes, well, gotta get it all. Get more. That comes out. Interesting, it has a little ball bearing on the bottom of it. Don't know why. And a little washer. And then this comes sliding out. And then by the time you get in there, you got a little tiny core. And you have it looks like there's a bypass wafer in there as well. All right, let's see if we can gut this. lock it back up. Giant lock. The cylinder's almost as, the shackle's almost as big as the cylinder. Not quite. Well, let's see here. Maybe if I hold that in there, I can get this to come out. No? Huh. Can't see the gut wrench. What, Sook? Do you know where it is? Probably not, huh? Well, let's see what I have. I can never find that damn gut wrench. And this is too big, right? If it would just stay this way and I could pry away with that. There we go. Okay, so I need the little guy. And a shim and a key. What, Sook? I think I'm in. One, two, three, four, five, six. So it's 6 pins. One, two, three, four, counting backwards. 6 and 5. So they all, no, these two in the middle are so small they don't have any serrations because they wouldn't come into play. There is the core. There is a little line in there to catch those serrations, it looks like. I don't know how productive that is. I don't feel much. And let's get this thing. So 6 is a spool. 5 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 3 is a spool. I'm going to focus on that. Whoops, 1 is standard. If I can get him out here. And 2 is standard, but it's beveled. And there's all the springs. Let's see if I can get that. Or it has a little serration. It's like an anti-bump. So anyway, and little tiny springy springs. Anyway, that is the Federal 730 blank. Come on. SS series. Anyway, Thanks for watching Stock Lock Sunday. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you next time.